Woke up this morning, put on my slippers, walked through the kitchen and died. And oh, what a feeling when my soul is in the ceiling. In heaven I did rise. When it got there, they didn't say it happened this way. You slipped upon the floor and hit your head. And all the angels said just before you passed away, these were the very last words that you said. Please don't bury me down in the cold, cold ground. I'd rather have them cut me up and pass me all around. We'll throw my brain in a hurricane and blind half my eyes, and definitely take both my ears if they don't mind the size. Well, send my stomach to Milwaukee if they run out of beer, and put my socks in a cedar box, just get them out of here. Well, Venus de Milo can have my arms, look out, I've got your nose. And sell my soul to the junk man and give my love to Rose. But please don't bury me down in the cold, cold ground. I'd rather have them cut me up and pass me all around. We'll throw my brain in a hurricane and blind half my eyes, and definitely take both my ears if they don't mind the size. Well, give my feet to the footloose, the careless, fancy free, and give my knees to the needy, won't pull that stuff on me. Send me down my walking cane and send me tell a lie, and send my mouth way down south and kiss my ass goodbye. But please don't bury me down in the cold, cold ground. I'd rather have them cut me up and pass me all around. We'll throw my brain in a hurricane and blind half my eyes, that'll definitely take both my ears if they don't mind the size.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you.
Many thank yous.
I'd like to thank all the little people who made this possible.
Folsom Prison.
Oh, really?
It says.
Yeah,
Unless you want to do something else. Okay.
actually, I do.
Okay, what do you want to do?
I don't.
Okay, knocking on heaven's door. That makes me have to do 2 of them.
Oh, well, I can do something. You have to do 2 of them?
Or that you get to.
Yeah, that you get to.
Oh, I get to. Okay. Well, that would be.
Wait a minute, I'm seeing on that one too.
That's true. That's true. We both do. Yeah, ready?
Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. Getting dark, too dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Mama put my guns in the ground, and I can't shoot them anymore. The long black cloud is coming on. I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. Long black cloud is coming on. Feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Thank you very much.
Drink these beers fast and really get warm. Yeah. Appreciate the grade.
Okay. Probably them fans, they make everything sound weird. Down over there.
We made Oklahoma a little after 3. Randy's brother Bob and my GMC had some moonshine whiskey, some of Bob's homegrown. So messed up we didn't know if we were drunk or stoned. Randy was a sack, tall and kind of frail. Bob was a raving maniac, crazier than hell. Been kicked out of high school several years ago, pushing over quarter cans at the 4-H rodeo. Since then they've done their little dance right outside the law. Popped twice in Oklahoma, once in Arkansas. Don't know what possessed me, wanna tag along, 'cause I was raised a Christian, I knew right from wrong. Right or wrong, black or white, cross the line and gonna pay. In the dawn before the light, live or die by shade of gray. Stole 2 Charlotte heifers, Randy's sweetheart's par. Sold them at the livestock sale outside of Wichita. They never did suspect the world hurt like beer. Today we heard the story on the local radio. Made our plans that very night to go to Mexico. I swore we would have made it if it wasn't for the shine. I got sick about the time we crossed that line. Right or wrong, black or white, cross the line and we're gonna pay. In the dawn before the light, live or die by shades of gray. Praying I would die when the lights come on above us and a voice comes from the sky. Half a dozen stay together. Still on song.
I know. Noise is always hard to compete with.
Well, thank you. Peace out, guys. Thank you.
See you later, Shorty.
Nice to meet you, Raymond.
Okay. Old Marshall Tucker. Yeah, that's all. I know. It's awfully sweaty out here today.
All right, ready?
Sure. Well, I'm riding along, singing the same old cowboy songs. They've been sung 100 times before. Ain't got nothing but my name, and I'm the only man who knows to blame, 'cause I'm living happy and I'm free. Just listen to the wind blow, let it blow, let it blow. Sand over my trail. I got my saddle on the ground, and the old moon, she can still be found, hiding in the desert skies. I like the good things in life, like a prairie breeze, good stout horse between my knees. Just being alone, just being free. And when I die, let me die with a dream in my mind, smile on my face and no trouble behind, and no cross on my grave, show my resting place. Just listen to the wind blow, let it blow, let it blow. Sand over my trail. I got my saddle on the ground, and the old moon, she can still be found, hiding in the desert skies.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. This is the crew, huh? You're still injured.
Oh yeah. We'll be
For how long?
Probably another 6 weeks.
Really?
Won't you bury me with my chaps on and my 6-gun strapped to my side, so I can see the moon hiding in a desert sky, hiding in the desert sky, hiding in the desert sky. you. With a John Prime.
Peter Rowan.
Peter Rowan. I get those two mixed up.
They're both cute.
I know they're both cute.
One's dead, the other one's almost dead.
You still dead?
Still dead.
Okay. Good for a dead guy.
Yeah, pretty dead for a dead guy. Yeah. But he's probably still cute if he was well embalmed.
I don't. Yeah, well. Sure about that, but okay.
Yeah, we talked about something else.
Moving right on.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Okay, here we go. Too late to feel sorrow. Too late to feel pain. He's just an old hobo, asleep out in the rain. They'll never cause trouble. Don't have no fear. He's just an old hobo. He'll soon be far away from here. He used to be a gambling man, just like you. Until he sang so low, there was nothing to know what to do. He used to be a gambling man, just like you. Until he sang so low, there was nothing to know what to do. Don't make him ask you. Don't make him beg. He was a war hero. That's how he hurt his leg. And he killed 30 Injuns with one cannonball. He's just an old hobo, asleep out in the hall. Be a gambling man, just like you. Until he sang so low, there was nothing to know what to do. He used to be a gambling man, just like you. Until he sang so low, there was nothing to know what to do. A wife and 5 children who live in LA. They miss their dear daddy, who's gone so far away. And they still have his picture. It's hung on the wall. He's just an old hobo, asleep out in the hall. Be a gambling man, just like you. Until he sang so low, there was nothing to know what to do. He used to be a gambling man, just like you. Until he sang so low, there was nothing to know what to do.
Thank you. All one of you.
Bravo.
Courtesy.
Courtesy. It's only 6:36.
Flying through them, aren't we?
Whoa, yeah.
can't think. It's tough.
American girls and American guys will always stand up and salute. We'll always recognize when we see Old Glory flying. There's a lot of men dead, so we can sleep in peace at night when we lay down our head. My daddy served in the army, where he lost his right eye, or threw a flag out in our yard until the day that he died. He wanted my mother, my brother, my sister, and me to grow up and live happy in the land of the free. Now this nation I love is falling under attack. A mighty suck punch came flying in from somewhere in the back. As soon as we see clearly through our big black eye, man, we lit up your world just like the 4th of July. Hey, Uncle Sam, put your name at the top of his list. And the Statue of Liberty started shaking her fist. And the eagle will fly. It's gonna be hell when you hear Mother Freedom start to ring in her bell. It'll feel like the whole wide world raining down on you. Brought to you courtesy of the red, white, and blue. Oh, justice will be served and the battle will rage. This big dog will fight if you rattle his cage. You'll be sorry that you messed with the U.S. of A. We'll put a boot in your ass. It's the American way. Hey, Uncle Sam, put your name at the top of his list. And the Statue of Liberty started shaking her fist. And the eagle will fly, and it's gonna be hell when you hear Mother Freedom start to ring in her bell. It'll feel like the whole wide world raining down on you. Brought to you courtesy of the red, white, and blue. Ooh, all the red, white, and blue. Ooh, all the red, white, and blue. Careful, don't wake anybody up over there. Thank you.
Never leave her alive?
If you want.
Putting that in a string out.
Oh, no matter whether you're listening or not, you need to hear it in tune.
There it is.
Did you find it?
That dude was a real dog. Happens when it bends strings. Bend them right out of tune.
Son of a bitch.
That's better.
That's more gooder.
And we're gooder.
More gooder. Yeah, we speak American real well. That's more gooder.
We're gooder. How's the chow? How's the chow? Good. Think you're ready.
In the deep dark hills of eastern Kentucky, that's a place where I trace my bloodline, and it was there that I read on a hillside gravestone, you will never leave Harlan alive. Well, my granddaddy's daddy walked down Catherine's Mountain, and he asked Tilly Hilton to be his bride. Said, won't you walk with me out of the mouth of this holler? Oh, we'll never leave Harlan alive. Well, the sun comes up about 10 in the morning, and the sun goes down about 3 in the day, and you fill your cup with whatever bitter brew you're drinking, and you spend your time just thinking about how to get away. Well, now no one ever knew that there was coal in that mountain, till a man from the Northeast arrived. He was waving $100 bills, says I'll pay for your mineral, but he never left Harlan alive. Well, now Granny sold out cheap, and they moved out west of Pineville to a farm where Big Richland River winds. I bet they danced them a jig, and they laughed and sang a new song. Who said we'd never leave Harlan alive? Well, the times they got tough and tobacco wasn't selling, but old Granddad knew what he'd do to survive. He went and dug more Harlan coal, sent the money back to Granny, but he never left Harlan alive. Well, the sun comes up about 10 in the morning, and the sun goes down about 3 in the day, and you fill your cup with whatever bitter brew you're drinking, and spend your time just thinking about how to get away. When the sun comes up about 10 in the morning, and the sun goes down about 3 in the day, and you fill your cup with whatever bitter brew you're drinking, and spend your time digging coal from the bottom of your grave. In the deep dark hills of eastern Kentucky, that's a place where I trace my bloodline, and it was there that I read on a hillside gravestone, you will never leave Harlan Thank you. Even though you are quietly clapping. Try not to wake these guys up, okay? And yelling.
And thinking.
And yelling. Whatever we do, it'll be what it is. It'll be what it is.
Follow me.
It'll just be what it is. Nobody's paying attention. We're just making noise over here.
Gonna take a freight train down at the station, Lord. I don't care where it goes. Run upon a mountain, highest mountain, Lord. Jump off, nobody gonna know. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Gonna find me a hole in the wall now. Gonna crawl inside the door. 'Cause my lady now, mean old woman, Lord, they told me goodbye. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman's been doing to me? Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman's been doing to me? Can't you see? Gonna take a freight train. Can't you see? All the way to Georgia. That woman. That train comes out of red. Can't you see? Gonna find a mountain. Can't you see? All the way to Georgia. What that woman been doing to me? Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't Thank you.
I think you won the ticket.
That's what I think. Nobody will know the difference. Somehow win?
Okay. See what happens with I'm gonna drink.
Me too, but I don't have many more before I have to go get another one. So
Bud Light in the bush. Should I get you a Bud Light in the bush?
we're going to take a break here in just a
After
second.
this song, we're gonna get Bud.
But thanks anyway. Yeah, we're going to take a break. I got to get a beer.
I'll be cold, man.
Yes, it will.
Yeah, and right now, cold is what we need. Whoops. Ever since the days of old, men searching felt untold, searching for silver and for gold, leave the empty hole. Way down south in the Everglades, where the backwater rolls and the sawgrass waves, the eagles fly and the alders play in the land of the Seminole. Blow, blow, you Seminole wind, blow like you're never gonna blow again. Calling to you like a long lost friend, but I know who you are. Blow, blow across the Okeechobee, all the way up to Micanopy. Blow across the home of the Seminole, the alligator and the gar. Came and took its toll in the name of flood control. Made their plans and they drained the land. Now the glades go and cry. Last time I walked in the swamp, stood upon a cypress stump, listened close and I heard the ghost of Osceola cry. Blow, blow, you Seminole wind, blow like you're never gonna blow again. Calling to you like a long lost friend, but I know who you are. Blow, blow across the Okeechobee, all the way up to Micanopy. Blow across the home of the Seminole, the alligator and the gar. I was going to give you another break, but then you didn't look like you were going to take it, so I didn't do it.
That's one minute.
Thank you. We're going to take a break for a minute.
Yes, we are.
See if we can't